All right, so let's see what we have here. As I said, this came in the mail today. It's from Traverse City. Is that where it's from? Let's see. Traverse City, Michigan. So I'm thinking it is a bottle, or maybe a couple bottles of Traverse City whiskey, a distillery outside of, in Traverse City, Michigan. So let's see what we got here, shall we? Now I know I got a couple of bottles coming because we are going to be doing some whiskey reviews. So whatever this is, you'll be seeing it reviewed pretty soon. Oh man, we got all kinds of stuff here. Let's see. What do we get? We got Traverse City Whiskey Company Straight Bourbon, whiskey finished in port barrels. Port barrel finish, Stillhouse edition, batch number 3. And they sent us these small sample bottles, which is just fine. I don't mind those at all. But so Traverse City, Michigan. Distilled from a mash of corn, barley, malt, and premium rye. Finished in port wine barrels. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? They have this kind of distinctive bottle for all their whiskeys. So we'll set this one aside. And let's see what else we got in here. This is Signature Edition Traverse City Whiskey Barrel Proof, 58.3 alcohol by volume. Jeez. So 116.6 proof. Yeah, definitely barrel proof. So basically they pour this directly out of the barrel. They don't add any water to it to lower it. This stuff will put you on your butt, I'm sure. Aged for more than 4 years, bottled at full barrel proof. It's really a pretty logo that they have there. Is it double hands? 2 hands? What is that? Just 1 hand. Traverse City, Michigan. I'll have to figure that out. All right, let's put that aside. Let's see what else I got. Looks like I got a sample box. Very cool. Traverse City Whiskey Company, of course. How do I open this? Oh, I can open it right there. Bend this thing down, and bend this thing out. There we go. So let's see what we got here. Oh, it's starting to come undone there. So this is Traverse City Whiskey Company, North Coast Rye. Small batch and handcrafted, a distinct blend of 100% American rye and straight rye whiskey. Distinct blend of 100% American rye and straight rye whiskey. So that tells me that it's probably straight rye and maybe Canadian rye whiskey. I don't know. A lot of the rye whiskey comes from Canada, so it might. Okay, what else do we have? Batch number 4 here. We have Traverse City Whiskey Company, small batch, handcrafted American Cherry Edition. Ooh, bourbon whiskey infused with Traverse City cherries and natural flavors. Batch 13. That sounds good. So it's cherry infused whiskey. That sounds really good. 35% alcohol by volume, so 70 proof. Not bad. Look forward to that one. This would probably taste really good, maybe an old fashioned or something like that, or just over the rocks. We will find out soon. And then finally, we have straight bourbon whiskey, small batch, aged for 3 years or more. So this is kind of their barrel-aged straight bourbon whiskey, batch number 15. Pretty much what they're known for. So there you go. That is what we got today. Some beautiful Traverse City whiskeys with all their distinct bottles. I'm looking forward to trying these out. Thank you, Traverse City whiskey. Is it Traverse or Traverse? Traverse City? Traverse City? I'll have to look up, figure out how to say that correctly. My apologies if I'm not saying it correctly. And I look forward to trying these out. And I'll be getting these tasting videos out to you real soon. So that's it.